What's up, everyone? Mike Sherry back at Paul Sherry Used Cars. Today I just got done driving and now I'll be reviewing this 2020 Ram 2500 Cummins diesel. Let's take a look at it. This is the Ram 2500. It's crew cab. Bighorn is the trim level. Get the upgraded cloth seats in this. All black dash. Touchscreen radio. All right, let's kind of start from the options left to right. We do have power mirrors. Those are tow mirrors, which they will flip out to see around your trailer, and they are power adjustable. Automatic windows up front, and then power windows in the back, and locks as well are power. It does have automatic headlamps here. Just flip it to auto, and there it stays. On the center cluster here has a digital cluster with 36,780 miles on it. This is a one-owner vehicle. It does have cruise control on the steering wheel and gearing control there, as well as hands-free connectivity, so you can talk through this car's speaker system on your cell phone hands-free. This is a four-wheel drive. To select what mode of drive you want to be in, whether two-wheel, four-wheel low, or four-wheel high, or even neutral, you can use it right there. All push button. Touchscreen radio with a built-in backup colored monitor, as you can see there. I'm in reverse. Once you kick it out of reverse, it jumps to your other functions. You do have AM, FM radio. Do you have connectivity with a cell phone through USB and auxiliary port, which I'll show you here in a second. Also, it's got a built-in compass, which is really nice to always know what direction you're going. Radio knobs here for volume and tuner. Heating and air conditioning knobs down here. This here is your electronic brake controller. This is a factory electronic brake controller that's going to enable the brakes to work on your trailer that you're pulling behind if it is equipped with electronic brakes. It does have the exhaust brake and tow haul mode, which will change the gearing to perform better while towing. Here's your USB aux ports. There's two sets of USB and one aux port. It does have keyless entry here with an alarm. All the nooks and crannies seem to be really clean. USB outlet in there, 3 beverage holders. This truck has seating for 6. This flips up and you actually have another seat here. Overall interior looks fairly clean. I did pull the history report, and no signs of any accidents or anything like that. Scores really well. Again, only a one owner. This truck is capable of pulling just over 19,000 pounds, which is truly incredible. And most of that's due to the ingenuity both by Ram and by Cummins. This has got the Cummins 6.7 liter diesel engine in it. Really a power machine. Notice the chrome bumper, chrome surround on the grille. Really looks nice and tough. This is the new body style. Again, 2020. 18-inch chrome wheels. Tire tread looks really good. It has the Ram step bars. Those are not aftermarket. Those are actually Ram step bars, and they go all the way back. Again, crew cab. This is Ram's biggest cab. Doesn't look like it's been used much back here. The seats flip up for extra cargo. Good spot to put, your receivers and things like that down there. Fuel fill on this side. Chrome bumper on the rear. Got the 2.5-inch receiver, which is the Class 5 hitch. Does have 4-pin factory wiring and 7-pin for your trailer connectivity. Got the bed liner in here. Again, 4x4. Coming on to the passenger side, really looks slick. Got the running boards still. Overall, one machine of a vehicle. There's a great price on this. I always say it's smart to buy a vehicle that's 1-2 years old like this. You save a ton of money. You let the first owner take all the depreciation as they drive the new vehicle off the lot. Beautiful thing about this, you still get some of that factory warranty. It does have that 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty that's still in effect. So if you need any further information, feel free to contact us. I'll post a link below of how to do so. As always, financing is available. We can get you pre-approved right from the comfort of your home. You can get started by clicking on the link below. And also, we'd love an opportunity to make you an offer on your trade. You can get started on that as well. right on the link below. With that, my name's Mike. Come on in, give us a call, make an appointment to come see and test drive this awesome Ram 2500 pickup truck.